Hello guys, welcome to another of our video tutorial, and today we'll be discussing about the real life project I said we're going to be building with the while loop. Okay, so I'll be building a simple calculator that will be able to do addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. If you want to go further, you can go further to do exponentiation, modulo, and the double division. Okay, so I'm going to go into the programming aspect, so just pay attention. Okay. Okay, so guys, I've been able to define all the operators we are going to be using, starting from the addition down to the division. I don't want to go further, so we'll have more time to do other things. Okay, so the reason why these lines are here is because I'm supposed to give 2 line spaces after each of these functions. Okay, so as you can see now, all the lines are gone. Okay, so the next thing is to do is to code what will give you the opportunity to select which operation to carry out. Okay, so I'm going to go into that. Okay guys, so far I've been able to code the options, select the operation to carry out. So these are the operations to carry out. Okay, so I'm going to go further to give the condition now. Okay, the condition is while true, that is why any of these operation is true depending on what we have selected. Okay, so we should go ahead. Let's say question Okay, so guys, I've been able to define one of the operations, which is addition. Okay, so what I'm going to do next is just to copy and paste, then I will edit, copy, paste and edit. Okay, so I'm going to go to this first one. I'll paste. So what I'm going to do is to copy. I made a mistake in the pasting, so I'm going to copy the whole of this. Then I will paste. Okay, so here I will just change it to Elif. Okay, then here I will change it to 2. Here I will change it to 2 is subtraction, right? I'll change it to minus, then here is okay. So I've been able to get the first one and the second one. Okay, so I'm going to copy this because this is going to give me less editing to do. So I'm going to copy this and paste. So what I'll just change here is the multiplication sign here and the 3 here. Okay, so I'm going to copy, paste the next one. Okay, paste the next one here, change here to 4, change here to division, and I think I'm good to go for now. Okay, so far so good. We have been able to define all our operators and their operations. Okay, so why these lines are here is because, like I've taught you before, whatsoever that is inside the input statement is always seen as a string, and whatsoever that is inside a double quote or a single quote is also seen as a string. So irrespective of the fact that we are going to be imputing numbers here, they are all going to be seen as just mere numbers, not numbers to be added. That's why you're having these issues here. So what I'm going to do is to convert all the input to integer by affixing integer at the end, or at the beginning rather. Okay, simple. The reason is so that whatsoever input you're going to have will be seen as a number to work with. Okay, so we're going to do that here. I'm sure you're seeing some changes. Okay, so the next thing is to come down here and do same. Could have done that earlier on, but I just wanted you to see that you need to convert to the same data type before you carry out your operations. Okay, so so far so good. We've been able to write our code and define all the operations that we carried out. Let's run our code and see what happens. Okay, we're going to run our code right now and see if we'll have any issues. Okay, so select the operation to carry out. That's the question. We'll have option addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. Okay, so what operation do you want to carry out? Okay, let's say 1. What is your first number? 20. What is your second number? 60. Okay, your answer is 80. What operation do you want to carry out, or do you want to perform? Wow, that's good. It means our code is working very well. Okay, so let's proceed. Okay guys, we have actually seen that our code is working perfectly well, and I would like you to go through all what we have done so far and see what you can help yourself with. Okay, we'll continue in the next video. Take care.